As you can see here, the bauxite concentration is high, yet our environmental impact remains low due to these new methods. This raw earth sample correlates directly with the data here, demonstrating our commitment to the sustainability metrics.
This sample confirms the quality, and these logs detail our sustainability metrics for the quarter.
Keep her moving. We've got another load coming in hot. Watch the hopper levels.
Open the valves to 20%. Monitor the temperature in Sector 4. We need stability.
Increase the caustic flow rate to 40 litres per second. Maintain pressure at optimal levels.
Alert on the main tank. Temperature climbing fast.
I see it. Adjusting the steam input now. It's stabilizing.
The rapid cooling in the quench tank ensures the aluminum achieves maximum strength and durability for the next stages.
Here we see the tabs riveting to the lids, a decisive mark of completion where force creates utility, blending human calibration with machine power.
Here, inkjet spray our golden brand logo onto the can's dryer tunnels. The ink dries instantly, sealing the brand identity. With this final stamp, the product is certified and ready. Its journey from ore to market is now complete. The cans slide elegantly into sleeves, logos aligning perfectly. Fillers pack with care, treating each as a premium item. From outback to market, presentation seals the promise. Here, arrangement ignites desire and completes the story. From raw ore to this premium can, a journey of innovation, culminating in a value of $1.50.